perform the indicated operation, 2/5 divided by -3/10. Well, recall when we're dividing two fractions, we leave the first fraction as is, change the operation to division, and we write the reciprocal of the second fraction, the one we're dividing by, or the divisor. Now we're multiplying two numbers of unlike sign. Two numbers multiplied with unlike signs gives us a negative result. We now multiply together the two numbers' absolute values. So 2/5 times 10/3. Now we could multiply straight across and then simplify, or you can notice that 5 will divide into 10 twice and into itself once. The result is we remove a factor of 1, 5/5, and so we have -4/3 as the answer.